When it comes to enhancing the value of your home in Palmetto Bay, upgrading your windows can be a game-changing investment. Known for its sunny climate, beautiful surroundings, and vibrant community, Palmetto Bay homeowners understand the importance of maintaining their properties to align with the area's standards and appeal. Replacing old windows with modern, energy-efficient ones not only boosts your home's market value but also improves comfort, energy efficiency, and curb appeal. The value of new windows. New windows do more than just update the look of your home. They bring practical and aesthetic benefits that resonate with potential buyers. Here's why they're such a powerful upgrade. Enhanced energy efficiency. The energy efficiency is a key selling point for homes in Palmetto Bay. Modern windows with features like double or triple glazing, low-E coatings, and gas fills, such as argon or krypton, help keep indoor temperatures comfortable year-round. By reducing the strain on heating and cooling systems, energy-efficient windows lower utility bills, making your home more appealing to eco-conscious buyers. Improved curb appeal. Windows play a vital role in defining a home's exterior. Stylish, updated windows can dramatically elevate the appearance of your property. Popular styles in Palmetto Bay include hurricane-resistant impact windows, large bay or picture windows for scenic views, and sleek casement windows that complement the area's coastal vibe. Increased security and safety. Modern windows often come with improved locking mechanisms and durable glass options, such as laminated or tempered glass, which enhance security. Hurricane-resistant windows are especially valuable in South Florida, as they provide protection during storms while meeting local building codes. Higher ROI. Investing in new windows offers one of the highest returns on investment for home improvement projects. According to Remodeling Magazine's Cost versus Value report, homeowners can expect to recoup up to 70–80% of the cost of new windows when they sell their homes. In Palmetto Bay's competitive real estate market, this can set your property apart. How to choose the right window. Selecting the right windows for your Palmetto Bay home requires careful consideration of your needs, style preferences, and budget. Here are some key factors to keep in mind. Consider the climate. Palmetto Bay's subtropical climate demands windows that can withstand heat, humidity, and occasional hurricanes. Look for windows with ENERGY STAR ratings, UV protection, and impact-resistant glass to ensure long-term performance. Style and aesthetics. Choose window styles that complement your home's architectural design. Whether it's colonial, Mediterranean, or modern, matching the style enhances visual harmony and boosts curb appeal. Frame materials. Window frames come in various materials, each with its pros and cons. Vinyl, affordable, durable, and low maintenance. Wood, offers a classic look but requires regular upkeep. Aluminum, strong and sleek but less energy efficient without thermal breaks. Fiberglass, highly durable and energy efficient but more expensive. Hurricane resistant. In South Florida, Installing hurricane-resistant windows isn't just a luxury, it's often a necessity. These windows not only protect your home during storms but also reduce insurance costs and attract safety-conscious buyers. The installation process. A professional installation is critical for maximizing the benefits of new windows. Look for local contractors in Palmetto Bay with a solid reputation for quality workmanship and expertise in hurricane-rated installations. Proper installation ensures airtight seals, prevents leaks, and prolongs the life of your windows. Final thoughts. A smart investment for Palmetto Bay homeowners. Replacing windows is a smart and strategic way to increase the value of your home in Palmetto Bay. By combining energy efficiency, improved aesthetics, and enhanced safety, new windows make your property more attractive to buyers and more comfortable for your family. Whether you're planning to sell your home soon or simply want to enjoy the benefits of upgraded windows, this investment is a win-win for Palmetto Bay residents. Start your window replacement journey today by consulting a trusted local contractor who understands the unique needs of homes in South Florida. The right windows can transform your property into a more appealing, efficient, and valuable asset.